Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Wait a minute, that can't be right. Hey, hi, welcome to the channel. No, wait, that's okay. Hold up. There we go. Okay, cheesy intro aside. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we are going to be doing a review of some Zenni Optical frames. I personally want to see how they are going to stack up to the current prescription that's on my face right now. And overall, see if this is going to be a budget-friendly option for a lot of you out there. Hi, my name is mel.low, and stay tuned for your video. So, spoiler alert, the glasses that are actually on my face right now are a pair of RayBan, so this isn't exactly the most fair comparison to the Zenni Optical frames that I have right over here. When you compare the two, I really think what you're going to be looking at more so is going to be value. The RayBans are about $300. I don't think that's a price point a lot of people are going to want to pay. It's not a price point I'm actually willing to pay for a pair of glasses, but these were given to me as a gift, so I'm definitely hanging on to those. These Zennis usually can start at about $6.99 for the frames, and then as you add all those extra little bells and whistles, the price point can still stay well under $40 to $50. I have a pair that I just ordered right over here, so why don't we open that and take a look at these guys. All right, off the bat, I'm not a big fan of the packaging when they ship it to you. There's no padding, no little like those bubbles to kind of keep it protected while it's traveling. The good thing is, you know, these come in a pretty solid, durable plastic, hard plastic. So even if these get knocked around and stuff, they're probably not going to be going anywhere, not going to be getting really damaged while they ship to you. Contrast to that, when it came to the shipping was pretty fast. I mean, I put an order for these maybe like week and a half ago, so they came to me relatively quickly. Now with the two that I ordered here, I'd imagine one of them is going to be the gaming glasses that I ordered with their Blokz filter to help filter UV light and the blue light and all that jazz. And the other one should be a pair of sunglasses with my prescription on them. Since I live out here in the desert, it's always sunny. Why don't we go ahead and pop into this one over here and see exactly what we're going to be looking at. And these are going to be my gaming glasses. I'll just pop into that. Put some of this paperwork over here, and why don't we take a look at those. Looks like they give you the little cleaning cloth to get you kind of up and going over here if they ever get dirty, smudges and whatnot. And take a look at that. I'm a sucker for red. I love red. And why don't we go ahead and just pop these on. Okay, not bad. I mean, the frame, it's lightweight. It's a little flexible, so I don't think it's gonna be putting a lot of pressure on your heads. We all have different face sizes, head sizes. For me, I don't know. I'm a sucker for the round frames. I like it. And it might be a little difficult to catch this. I don't know if it's gonna show it on there, but you see just a very slight tilt, like a color difference, just very slightly. And I'd imagine that's gonna be for like the blue light filter and everything like that. But so you'll see as I just slightly move, and if you look at the reflection that's coming on my glasses, you see there's just a slight color kind of difference there. Nothing dramatic, but in terms of like comparing it to my prescriptions over here, they're very similar to each other. I mean, the RayBans, they're a little bit more robust. Not a big problem there. When it comes to like sharpness and clarity, they're both really close to each other. I would say that the RayBans are just a hair inch sharper, but nothing that's gonna throw you off, anything like that. So not too bad there. Why don't we go ahead and get into, where'd I put that other one? Second one, this is the one I'm actually a lot more excited for, which is gonna be the sunglasses, because this was gonna be my first pair of sunglasses with my own prescription on them. Let's take these off again. And thank you for bearing with me. Wow, okay, hold up. Well, let's pull these back and take a look at that. That is interesting. With the sunglasses, I did get that mirrored finish. They said the tint's about like 80%, so I'd imagine if you look very closely, you'll see my eyes come through on that, but let's go ahead. Just pop those on just for when I'm driving. Give me a little bit of, you know, clarity when it's a bright sunny day. And wow. There you go. Thumbnail. Okay, I'm definitely digging the sunglasses. I know what other people have done is they put the frame number in the description. So if you're looking to get the frames that I'm showing you right now, take a look at the description. I'll try to have like those numbers to identify the frames in case if you want to go ahead and utilize that. But I am definitely digging the sunglasses. Now let's go ahead and talk about value here, because I feel like this is where going with the Zenni Optical definitely proves its benefits. When we're looking at the two frames that I got, and we got the sunglasses and the gamer glasses over here. The frames for the sunglasses, they were $7. You add all the prescription, if you wanted like the mirror finish, these came up to about $60. When you're looking at the gamer glasses, the frames were about $15, and when I added my prescription and the Blokz filter, the UV light, blue light filter, these came up to about $45. So all in all, I got two glasses for about, give or take, 100, 110 there. With my RayBans being about 300, you know, you can almost stack these and get about 6 different pairs, 6 different lenses. It's highly configurable. You definitely get a lot more value. Quality wise too, it's not too far off. I've used Zenni's in the past when I was in, oh wow, we're going back like 4, maybe 5 years ago. Just an FYI, if I'm making these sound really good, it's not that I'm affiliated, I'm not sponsored by Zenni Opticals. I went out and spent my own money to get these guys. I'm just really happy with their performance. To me, they're a very solid pair of glasses. They hold up definitely over time, and I've been really happy with my older frames that allowed me to go ahead and, you know, purchase another 2 pairs with confidence. So I can definitely wholeheartedly recommend them to you if you're in that market. If you're, hey, borderline, do I want to go to, you know, LensCrafters, Costco, Walmart, or if you already know your prescription, you know, hop over to Zenni Opticals and just start customizing away, because these guys, they give you a lot of frame options, a lot of options for like the lenses and things like that. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to be wrapping up this video shortly. I didn't want this video to get too long. It was just, you know, my input, my 2 cents regarding Zenni Opticals, and review, if you will, of the 2 glasses that I just got. And give me a month. I'm going to try to follow up with the gaming glasses, because this channel, if you haven't noticed, I'm going to start to go ahead and build a little more off of like technology and gaming. That's the main priority of those gaming glasses. So I'm gonna go ahead and get hands-on with them. Maybe I'll do a follow-up review and see how they kind of hold up over time. Beyond that, if you found this video enjoyable, you know, maybe you got some information out of it, consider dropping a like. You don't have to follow. I'm just here making videos. If you have any questions regarding Zenni's, things like that, you know, maybe how my experience was, leave a comment down below. I'll try to reply to you all in a timely manner. Aside from that, hey, it's been a fun video. You all enjoy the rest of your day. Take care, and we'll see you for the next one.